Beautiful and wonderful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make an extreme hair growth tea. When it comes to hair treatment, I love the prospect of a DIY remedy that doesn't require a trip to the salon. But before we get to the video, I would love to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for your love and support. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. Please kindly support by subscribing, share, like, comment. You can also share to your friends and family so they benefit on this idea. You can also leave a comment or question that I can attend to. Please don't forget to on your notification bell. So today the first ingredient needed for this recipe is our cloves. Cloves are great when it comes to hair growth. It contains anti-inflammatory agent which helps in hair thickening. It protects the scalp from dandruff. Another ingredient is our dried rosemary leaf. Not only does rosemary reduce hair fall, it also gives way for hair growth due to its ability to keep the nerves healthy. Another ingredient for this recipe is our mustard seed. Mustard seed can do wonder for the health of your scalp and overall hair. Mustard oil that is extracted from the seed is replete with vitamin A nutrient crucial for the nourishment of the scalp and hair regeneration. Another ingredient is our fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seeds are rich in protein, nicotinic acid content renewed for their capacity to fight hair fall and dandruff. It also treats dryness of hair, controls balding and hair thinning. Another ingredient that we'll be needing is our tea tree. Tea tree is an effective way to help with dandruff, head lice, and improve healthy scalp. So now let's get into the video. Add all the ingredients into a pot or frying pan. Roast for about 10 minutes. Allow it to cool down a bit, then transfer it into a mortar or grinder. Grind it into a fine powder, then transfer it to a glass jar with lid. Add hot water. Allow the mixture to sit for about 6 hours. Now, this tea tree have so many benefits on hair. It keeps hair soft and shiny. This hair tea is packed with good for you nutrients that can help make damaged hair soft and shiny again. It prevents split ends. Tea soothes irritated scalps, can stop hair loss, help your hair grow. Main benefit of this hair tea is to stimulate hair growth, fight hair loss, and promote a healthy scalp. This tea tree can be used by relaxed hair or natural hair. Who should use this hair tea? In general, those with irritated scalp, dull hair, slow hair growth, split end, thinning, and alopecia. After 10 minutes, allow the ingredients to cool down a bit. Please don't allow the ingredients to burn. As you can see mine, I didn't over roast it. Now transfer everything into your mortar or grinder. Grind into a fine and smooth powder. After that, transfer the grinded ingredients into a glass jar with a lid. Add a very hot water and allow the mixture to sit for 6 hours. After 6 hours, strain and transfer into your spray bottle. If you're still watching this video to this stage, I say a very big thank you. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please kindly support by subscribing, and if you find my videos helpful, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share to your family and friends, and don't forget to on your notification bell so you always get notified each time I drop a new video. Not only does tea keep your hair from falling out, it can also help it grow. The ingredients used in making this hair tea works to stimulate the hair follicles and increase circulation and blood flow to your scalp. This stimulation encourages hair growth in a healthy and natural way that won't leave your scalp feeling angry and irritated. This homemade hair tea have so many benefits on hair. It keeps hair soft and shiny. If your hair is strong and breaking out while brushing or combing it, then you need a hair tea that will nourish it and leave it soft, shiny, and most importantly, healthy. It prevents split ends. The natural ingredients used in making this hair tea make it extremely helpful in preventing breakage and strengthening the strands. Tea suits irritated scalp. Hair tea is a strong anti-inflammatory, so it suits the scalp and help with irritation and inflammation. The ingredients in this hair tea also help remove dead skin cells that can block hair follicles and leave them clogged. So now, after 6 hours, you strain with your strainer, transfer the mixture into your spray bottle, then you apply it. For the application, you can apply this hair tea on a very clean scalp. Massage the scalp for 5 minutes. Store the remaining one in a refrigerator, and you can store for up to a week. Apply 2 times a week. Main benefit of this hair tea is to stimulate hair growth, fight hair loss, and promote a healthy scalp. After straining, add few drops of your essential oil into the tea. I love using tea tree essential oil because of its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to fight dandruff, hair lice. Now shake well. For the application, apply on a very clean scalp. You can apply after shampoo. Use it as a leave-in conditioner. Please do not wash it out. Then you can store the remaining one in a refrigerator for 1 week. For best results, use 2 times a week. You will notice changes just once of using it. If you're suffering from hair breakage or slow hair growth or dandruff or head lice, my love, try this hair tea and leave any changes you see in the comment section. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, just support this channel and subscribe. You won't regret doing so. Please, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, share to your family and friends so they can benefit on this idea. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.